from justtutors.com, and in today's video we will learn about food and where does it come from. So the main topics which we will cover in this video will be introduction to food, varieties of food, and food materials and resources. So let's move forward towards the next slide and let's try a few pre-assessment questions. So you can pause the video here, and once you are done with all the questions, you can resume the video and you can check your answers. Pat your back if all of your answers are correct. And now let's have a quick discussion about food. So we can say that food is any substance consumed to provide nutrients to your body. And with that, we can also say that food makes our body work, grow, and repair itself. The kind of food you eat basically affects your body in different ways. So it's really important to have a balanced diet. The food which we eat can be basically of animal or plant origin. So let's move forward towards the next slide and let's learn about two major sources of our food, which is plants and animals. So in simple sense, we can say that all the food which we eat is derived from plant or from animals. From plants we get different products like vegetables, fruits, nuts, beans, and if we talk about animals, we can think of dairy products, eggs, meats. So we can broadly classify the food into two categories. The first one is plant source and the second one is animal source. So now let's talk about different types of food varieties we have. So we can say that food variety means eating a variety of food from different food groups. We have four food groups and we should eat some part from each group to have a healthy lifestyle. So now let's talk about nutritional value of each group. Let's begin with the first one, which is vegetables and fruits. So as we know that vegetables and fruits are very important part of a healthy diet. Eating plenty of vegetables and fruits keep you healthy and fit. And with that you get many vitamins and many nutrients from different vegetables and fruits. And with that, it also helps in reducing the risk of many diseases like heart disease, blood pressure, and even some cancers. So now let's move forward to the next group and let's talk about grains, legumes, and beans. So if we talk about different grains, legumes, and beans, these things are particularly very important for those who are consuming vegetarian meal, as it provides the important proteins, iron, zinc for those consumers. So we can say that it is very easy and cost effective method of getting proteins. Now let's move forward towards the next category, which is meats, poultry, fish, and eggs. So if we talk about fish, eggs, and meats, these foods are a rich source of protein. Protein is needed for lots of functions throughout the body, and therefore we all need some protein in our diets. And with that, these food groups provide a variety of nutrients such as zinc, iron, vitamins, and fatty acids. So it's really important to include this food group in your diet. Now let's move forward towards our last group, which is dairy products. So if we talk about dairy products, intake of dairy product is linked to improve bone health. If you're taking dairy products daily, you'll get enough of calcium, vitamin D, and proteins. So that was all about different food groups. Now let's move forward and let's try a few questions. So you can pause the video here and you can try the given questions, and after that you can resume the video and check your answers. So pat your back if all of your answers are correct, and now let's move forward towards the next question. So you can pause the video here once again and try the question. So congratulations if all of your answers are correct, and thank you for watching this video. Please For more, please visit justtutors.com.